Going for our morning walk. On the main road, we gotta watch out for traffic. Roosters are happy this morning. This is our main road. That's back where we live, Marpas Apartments. That's Har being very quiet, so she takes good videos. There's a jeepney.
Because I don't know how to speak English.
You do know how to speak English.
No, I don't. That's why I was kept being quiet. Bisaya na lang dagway ko.
You know how to speak English.
I know I didn't. Butterfly. Yung lutas balay oh.
Roosters. Fighting gamecocks is very big in this country. They have big arenas. And right down the street from us is a little sorry store here. What was that? Mangoes? Pomelo. And coconut. Pomelos and coconuts. It's too early for the store to be open yet. What time is it, Har? 6 o'clock. 6 a.m. We're out doing our morning walk, getting some exercise. And the houses on our street. And a garden. And rabbits. What's it say? For sale. Take me home, rabbits. Buy me. And right up here's another little sorry store. And of course, roosters everywhere. Lots of roosters. This is good exercise. Go up and down hills. For rent, fully furnished apartments. Casa Valencia. Make sure you don't talk though. We wouldn't want that to happen.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, that's what we need to find. Nice house that is for rent. We have a little over 2 more weeks here in Valencia, and then we're moving for 1 month out to Sigihor Island. To a place called South Mountain Resort. Yeah, we'll see where this road goes. We're in an area we've never walked before now.
Siya, dako lagi kayo. Atambal.
What?
Miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit.
It's herb.
Hi, how are you? Yep, we're almost to the town center of Valencia. Okay, now we're going back up the hill. We made it to town. So we'll go back up to the main road and head back towards Marpas. Good morning exercise. This is the Valencia Rural Hospital Treatment Center. Next to that is the fire station. Nasperry Bistro. Everyday breakfast, they have Filipino and Western food. You hiding your face? That's Valencia Fire Department. Good morning. Bureau of Fire Protection. Old man's getting tired going uphill.
Phone.
What?
Electricity.
Good exercise. Church of Latter-day Saints. Har likes to walk a lot faster than me. That's okay, I catch up with her. Pretty yards, pretty landscaping. These are called pedicabs. You can catch a ride into town from where we live. How far we walked this morning cost you about 50 cents US. Barber shop. You can get a haircut here at a local barber shop for around $1 US. Native style house. Made of bamboo. We made it. What do you think? You have the key? We park our scooter under the porch, under the stairs, so if it rains, it stays dry. There's our scooter. All safe and sound. There's Har up there waiting for me with the key. And that's gonna pretty much end our morning ritual of walking for exercise. Don't say anything, it's a video.
I always keep quiet.
We're back at our little apartment. And if we open this up, this is our patio where we eat, swimming pool, and our lounging area. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Have a great day. See you soon.